Hello, my name is Anant Keru. I am a student of Estellar Academy and I have scored 95% in the 12th standard Cbse board exam. After getting such a high score, it makes me feel proud of myself and of the academy. About Estellar Academy teachers, I'd like to say that they're they're very motivating. They're always there to help you out at any time with any sort of problems, any sort of doubts. You can always approach them. They're very approachable and very competent in their teaching, so that with any problems with any, you can approach them with any doubts and they'll always be sure to have an answer. Estellar Academy is much better than other coaching centers because their teachers are so much more approachable. Estellar Academy is much better than the other coaching institutions because they are so much more. The teachers are just so much more approachable, and at any time you can approach and they'll give you one-on-one attention. To my juniors, I'd like to say that I'd give the advice to work hard, study and complete your studies. Do not stress too much over your results, over your performances, but just be honest and sure and confident in your ability.
I'm Vanya Narona Fernandez from Estellar Academy and I have secured 95% for Cbse 12th board exams. Having cleared board exams with such a good percentage, it feels amazing. It feels like all the hard work I put in actually bared fruit. Estellar Academy has been a source of great support to me during these 2 years of mine. The teachers have always motivated me to keep working hard and not take my scores very seriously and just keep doing what I'm doing, and every day is a new day. I would recommend Estellar Academy to my juniors and my siblings as it is a place where you're always pushed to just keep working hard every day. Becoming a doctor is very tough, and this is just the start. There's a lot more. You just have to be patient and be forgiving to yourself because the road is very hard. For the preparation of 12th board exams, the teachers specifically taught us the derivations and they emphasized on the NCERT textbooks, its diagrams and text questions, which really helped us for the final exam.
I'm Krish Borkar. I've been a student at Estellar Academy and I've secured 94% in the class 12 Cbse boards. After clearing 12 boards with flying colors, I am very happy about this. Of course, I did work very hard, and yeah, of course, it is mainly because of my parents and teachers and their blessings. So I'm very happy that I could do well. Estellar Academy has been a really wonderful experience. The teachers are very good. They interact with the students, they clear all your doubts, and they are always available. Even the support staff and everyone is really helpful, and I'm really glad that I chose Estellar Academy to do my 11th and 12th. I would definitely recommend Estellar Academy to every single person, and definitely you should join it. It is one of the best academies ever. I feel Estellar Academy is not just an institution where you just go and then you teachers teach and they just leave. It is like the teachers are like your family members. They are very sweet and they're always there to help you. And the teachers care about each and every single student, and that was the best thing, and that helped me a lot. I would definitely say that you should work very hard. That is the only key over here. And always listen to your teachers, like especially what Yogendra sir told me, that helped me a lot, about small things, about solving questions daily, doing everything on a daily basis, and that was like a game changer. So I always would say listen to your teachers and keep working hard. All the best, don't worry, everything will be fine. Have fun.
Hello, I'm Samara Dias-Veredo and I'm a student of Stellar. I secured 93.4% in Cbse board exams. After clearing the board exam with such a high percentage, I'm really glad and grateful to all my teachers for supporting me and being such wonderful mentors uh, and teaching us so well. About Stellar Academy and its teachers, I would like to say that it's a wonderful academy and the teachers are extremely kind. They are wonderful teachers, they teach extremely well and they are very supportive and motivating, and everybody there is wonderful. Yes, sure, I would recommend because it's a wonderful atmosphere where everybody supports you, motivates you and helps you become the best version of yourself. Stellar Academy is better than other coachings because at each center there are different sets of teachers, so they're easily accessible and they're always ready to motivate you and make you realize your potential and what you're best at. Hard work is the only key to success, so use your time wisely and put in all that you have to achieve your goal. The teachers at Stellar Academy have helped me secure 93.4% because they teach you the concepts and very well, so you'll always remember the concepts at the end when you're going to answer your paper, and you can apply that knowledge and solve any question.
I'm Farhad Alves. I am a student of Estellar Academy and have scored 93.2% for 12th standard Cbse board exam. I feel good and I'm proud of scoring so well for the Cbse and as well for the JEE mains examination, and I'm glad of achieving this many marks. They are very patient in us asking us questions and they give positive answers to us. I will definitely recommend juniors to join the Estellar Academy. In fact, my sister just joined recently in the academy previously.
Hello, my name is Dasha Vanessa Fernandez and I'm a student of Stellar Academy and have scored 91.6 in my 12 Cbse boards. After scoring such a high score in my boards, I feel very proud of myself and I'm very thankful to Stellar Academy and my parents as well. The Stellar Academy faculty is very supportive and the staff also make sure that we get whatever we want. All the doubts are cleared very well, and I think the modules they provided are also very informative and the teachers are excellent. I feel the main reason why I love Stellar Academy is because of the integrated course, where we get a lot of time to work on ourselves at home and they make sure that we not waste free time in extracurricular activities. I feel that Stellar has really helped me not only clear my NEET exam but as well as boards, because their focus on board material, for example, or the derivations are done or explained pretty well. They also give us a lot of shortcuts so that we can save time during an exam and how to finish the paper on time with good time management and accuracy.
Hello, I'm Saksham Male. I'm a student of Stellar Academy and I have secured 91.2% in class 12 board exams. I feel very proud of myself that I've secured such a 93.2% in JEE mains. I thank my teachers for providing me proper guidance about Stellar Academy and my teachers. The teachers are very helpful. They are available, and I solve my doubts every day. Shivam sir is a very good in maths faculty. He clears our doubts. He's very good in teaching also. Even physics sir Yogendra, he helped me a lot during my doubts. Stellar Academy is better than other coachings because in other coachings they just take the money and don't do anything. But Stellar Academy, they help us solving doubts. To my juniors, I would like to say that start preparing. Don't waste your time. Stellar Academy not only prepares you for competitive exam but also prepares you for board exams also.
I'm Anushka Patil, studying in Stellar Academy, and I have secured 90.8% in 12 Cbse board. After getting such a good score, I am very happy and well satisfied with my score. Thanks to my parents and Stellar Academy for helping me achieve this. About Stellar Academy and its teachers, I would like to say that the teachers were very motivating and they were always there for us all these 2 years, and they were very supportive. I was studying in the Vasco Center, and the best part of Stellar was there was a separate set of teachers in all the 3 centers. So it was easy for me to access the teachers, and they were always there when I needed them at the center. I would advise my juniors to opt for the weekday batch because the teachers get more time to get involved with you and you learn in a gradual and a better way. It is important to approach your teachers with your doubts after class, as they help you solve your doubts and improve your concepts. This is a major advantage in Stellar Academy.
Hello, I'm Parth Patil. I'm a student of Stellar Academy and I've scored 90.6 in Cbse board exams. After clearing Cbse board exams and JEE Mains with high percentage, I would like to thank faculty, the non-teaching staff, and even my parents for supporting me. About Stellar Academy teachers, I would like to say they were supporting. They always used to clear our doubts at a time when we were allowed to take doubts from them. Teachers were also supportive and they used to motivate us a lot. And with their help only we have scored so much in our JEE Mains and even Cbse board exams. Stellar Academy is better than the other coaching institutes in Goa because we get frequent tests, we can ask doubts from teachers, and through all these help we can even clear our entrance exams with a good percentage. I was studying in Stellar Academy Vasco branch, and it is the only coaching in Vasco which has created such a good results in NEET and even JEE Mains. So it was a good decision for me to join Stellar Academy. As a student of Stellar Academy Vasco branch, I would like to convey to my juniors that they should not think much about other coaching institutes and go straight for Stellar Academy because it is the best and they have produced good results in JEE Mains and NEET.